My name is Helena and I'm from Germany. Actually, like all the plants, the flowers, the colors, the nice buildings, so it's really amazing place. I got actually many information about the tree, how tall it is, what kind of tree is it, so very interesting information. Actually not, I just learned it from you and from this scanner. So yeah, I didn't know this kind of tree before. Yes, it's a really nice way to educate people, to learn more and to get more information about nature, about the surroundings. So yeah.
You're going to click delete. Press OK. You can check this. This is the information about the tree.
And each tree has it.
Yes.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah, this one is India.
I know it. Nice. Okay.